Let's see overlap add method. Given sequences are x of n with length capital Ls and h of n with length capital M. Input sequence x of n is divided into blocks of data size capital L, and for each divided sequence we have to add m minus 1 zeros at last, so that length of each input sequence will become equal to capital N is equal to L plus m minus 1. Let's see how it is done. X1 of n equal to x of 0, x of 1 up to x of L minus 1 means we took first L elements. Then we have padded m minus 1 zeros to get x1 of n. Now while writing x2 of n, what we have to do? Take new L data points from x of n and then add m minus 1 zeros. Same process will repeat till we get all the values of x of n. Then what we have to do? First we have to increase length of impulse response to capital N. Impulse response is of length m, so we have to add L minus 1 zero, so that we will get h of n of length capital N equal to L plus m minus 1. Take n point circular convolution of xi of n with h of n. Once we take circular convolution, we will get output blocks y1 of n, y2 of n and y3 of n. As we discussed in overlap save method, what we do? In output we discard first m minus 1 data points, but in overlap add method what we have to do? Last m minus 1 points from each output block must be overlapped and added to first m minus 1 points of succeeding output block, so that this method is known as overlap add method. Let's see. Y1 of n is having 5 points, y1 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. y2 of n is having again 5 points, y2 of 0, y2 of 1, y2 of 2, y2 of 3 and y2 of 4. While writing last sequence, what we have to do? Take last two values, y1 of 3 and y1 of 4, and add these values in y2 of 0 and y2 of 1. Similarly, in case of y2 and y3, what we have to do? y2 3 is added with y3 of 0, y2 of 4 is added with y3 of 1. So after these overlapping and addition, whichever value we will get, that will be my final output y of n, which is equal to nothing but output of overlap add method. Now let's see for specific values of Ls and M. Consider value of Ls is 15 and capital M equal to 3. Let L equal to 3. So input sequences are written as x1 of n equal to x of 0, 1, 2, pad 2 zeros, x2 of n equal to x of 3, 4, 5, pad 2 zeros, x3 of n 6, 7, 8, 0, 0, x4 of n, x of 9, x of 10, x of 11, 0, 0, and x5 of n equal to x of 12, x of 13, x of 14, 0, 0. Increase length of h of n to capital N equal to L plus m minus 1, that is equal to 5. Already h of n is length 3, then we have to add 2 extra zeros. So h of n equal to h of 0, h of 1, h of 2, 0, 0. Take n point circular convolution of each input sequence with h of n, so that we will get output sequence y1 of n, y2 of n, y3 of n, y4 of n, y5 of n and y6 of n. So as per steps discussed earlier, what we have to do? Take last m minus 1 point of first output block and add these two values or m minus 1 values to first m minus 1 points of y2 of n. So in this instance, what we can do? We will take y1 0, y1 of 1, y1 of 2 as it is. Take addition of y1 of 3 and y2 of 0. Take addition of y1 of 4 and y2 of n. Then take y2 of 2 as it is, then go for y2 of 3 plus y3 of 0, y2 of 4 plus y3 of 1. So repeating same process, finally we will get output sequence y of n using overlap add method.